Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lauren from the Roseland Library. Happy Earth Day!
Yay, happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day!
Happy Earth Day.
Alright, so since we're all home and looking for something to do, we decided to share a craft. It's a STEM craft idea. So we are going to make bird feeders that we are going to use with recycled materials and our own creativity to paint. What you will need for this project is a gallon of milk, a plastic container that you would normally recycle. You're going to need a grown-up because they have to help you with a knife. We need some scissors. You're going to need some kind of masking tape, whether it's clear, silver, colored, whatever. And you're going to need a marker for our first step. So what you're going to do is you're going to empty and clean out and dry your milk carton. If it's not 100% dry, that's okay, it'll get there. And you're going to take your black Sharpie and you're just going to score right around the bottom line. You'll see there's a very fine line. I took the stickers off. You can do that. You don't have to. You can paint right over. But you're going to see there's a very fine line. So you're going to score. You're going to put the handle in the back so that the birds will actually be coming in through here and through here. So you score your fine line right there, and that's where you know to stop. Then you can see there's going to be a very faint circle or some kind of shape right there, and that's gonna be your template basically for cutting out. So I'm gonna do it with you. So you lay your gallon on the table, you hold it carefully. This is where you need a grown-up. Do not do this without a grown-up. And you're just going to find out whichever way is easiest for you to hold. And you're gonna cut in and kind of in a rainbow shape. The best you can. And you're going to cut right down to that scoring line, but then you're going to leave it open so you have a flap here. And that's where you take your scissors and you're going to cut right along that line. Then you'll see the edge is very jagged. Actually, this part's not too bad. But you just go in with some scissors and you clean that up because you don't want your birds getting hurt, right? So you just clean it up. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So you find your marking.
Oh my God. Daddy, oh my God.
That's Natalie. Again, grown up only for this.
Okay, let me go on the other side.
All right, this entryway was a little bit shorter, so I'm going to cut off my bottom flap where I've scored. You can see I have some extra water. You can just empty that onto whatever you have. And then you can actually change the size a little bit with your scissors if you want to. You don't have to. Now, you don't have to worry about making this part perfect because this is where... So as you can see, let me just show you. You have your two openings, which is where your birds are going to go in. So then you're going to take your clear tape, your masking tape, whatever you want, and you're just going to take it like this, and you're going to make a nice, safe little ledge around the edge.
That's so that birds don't cut themselves?
Correct. So no birds or squirrels or whatever is going to come into your bird feeder, animal feeder, will get hurt. And my kids chose the clear because they want to paint as much as they can.
They were very clear about that.
My husband, the comedian. Oh, okay. And we're going to do this actually in 2 parts because I'm still learning technology and I don't know how to upload more than like 4 or 5 minutes at a time. So